Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today I will present my research article entitled Expert Judgment, Limitation Inference, and Threshold Value to Optimize Diagnosis in an Eye Disease Expert System. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adi Wahyudi, and I am a lecturer in Information Technology Program at Universitas Pendidikan Nasional located in Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia. So the research background of this article is eye disease are a significant global health issue leading to varying degrees of disability. Therefore, there is still need for further development of expert system for diagnosing eye disease. This study aims to optimize the consultation process in expert system to make early diagnosis more efficient and accurate by employing several simple methods named expert judgment, limitation inference, and threshold value. This research seeks to reduce the time required for diagnosing and improve user experience. The problem statement is how to optimize the expert system using expert judgment, limitation inference, and threshold value. And the research objective, this research aimed to develop an optimal expert system by adopting a simple approach. The methodology integrated named the expert judgment approach, limitation inference, and establishing a threshold value. So let's take a look to the research method. There is three simple approach used in this research to improve the expert system for eye diagnosis, which is the first one is expert judgment. So this method is conduct a survey among eye disease specialists to gather their expert judgment, which will then be converted into weighting for its role in the system. So we know expert system rely on rule-based knowledge. And then the second approach, named limitation inference. This method will limit the question of consultation by excluding symptoms associated with disease for which symptoms have been answered no by the user. This expert system run in consultation process, which is system need to answer the question by yes or no answer. And then the third method named threshold value. So by applying limit value, the result provided by the expert system become more specific, because this expert system, the conventional expert system, is produce several diagnoses. So we need to limit the result by this threshold value. So the research model that we propose in this article will be like this figure. So the entity is the expert and the user or the patient. So the expert will give the expert judgment, and then the system, in the expert system, we will employ the limitation inference and also the threshold value. So this is will produce the more accurate and efficient diagnosis. So the result and discussion. The preliminary data on eye symptom and disease were collected in our previous study. The survey result from ophthalmologists were then used to assign weighting to its rule-based list in table 1 of the article. So you can see the table 1 in the article. There is specific rule base, the combination about the disease and the symptom. The rule-based list in table 1 above will be used as the basis for consultation question that must be answered by user. The system will employ a consultative framework, prompting user with a series of symptom-related queries. So this result, the expert system before being given a weight from an expert system. The expert system in its original state before optimization required answering all questions based on the amount of symptom data stored in a database. This means that the system will continue asking questions until every symptom in the database was addressed, leading to a slower and less efficient process for getting an initial diagnosis. This extended time caused the patient feel overwhelmed by the number of questions. In addition, the initial diagnostic result were often too many, making it harder to determine the right medical action. So this is the first approachment, the first simple method, the expert system after inference limitation is applied. The first optimization is done by limiting the symptom inquiries that need to be addressed. This limitation called inference limitation only looks for symptom related to the ones already answered by restricting the inquiries. Not all symptoms in the database are addressed. The another symptom from disease where the previous symptom has been answered as no will not be addressed to the patient. So this making the search process more effective and efficient. And then the expert system after being given in percentage expert judgment. So further optimization is achieved by assigning weight to each rule in the rule base. These weight were determined by gathering expert judgment on the importance of each symptom for every disease. The weighting process is detailed in table 1 rule base that you can find in the article. So this approach aims to improve the diagnostic accuracy by providing total weight percentage of overall diagnosis. The weighting calculation allow for a more precise determination, showing the total percentage likelihood of the disease based on the symptom that have been confirmed. So we can see the diagnosis of the system will give the percentage of each diagnosis. And then we look for the final stage. So the final state of this study focusing on setting the threshold value. So in this system, we set the threshold value in 70%. So this threshold help determine the initial diagnosis made by the expert system based on the combined weight from earlier optimization step. So in optimization algorithm, threshold value are commonly used to decide when a specific condition has been exceeded which then affect how the optimization process behave. So we can see that before this simple approach apply, the diagnosis uh, is the system is give a several diagnosis. But when this system approach apply, the diagnosis is more specific. Only the disease that exceed the diagnosis, the threshold value will be appear in the system. Okay, the discussion we can see. So based on the research that has been done, it was found that the development of expert system with a consulting model can be optimized through the application of the expert judgment approach, threshold value, and inference limit. The approach adopted in the development of the expert system result in more effective and specific initial diagnosis. The expert judgment method allow expert assessment to assign weight or percentage value to its role in the rule base, thereby increasing the accuracy of diagnostic criteria evaluation. Furthermore, threshold value play a role in setting specific limit value. For example, in this system, we set 70%, so that diagnosis will total value below then that limit can be filtered. The application of inference limit also make an essential contribution by limiting the number of questions that must be answered by the user. Thus, the consultation process become more efficient and does not burden user with excessive question. The combination of these three approaches result in the development of an expert system capable of producing a more effective and specific initial diagnosis. This result signifies the solution for optimizing the expert system. And the conclusion of this research is this research has successfully advanced the development of a more refined expert system model by integrating simple approach, name expert judgment, inference limitation, and threshold value. Incorporating this element has alleviated the need of for user to respond to the entire set of formulated rules, thereby enhancing the system overall efficiency. This research makes a notable contribution by presenting a model that can serve as a reference for the development of optimized expert system. Furthermore, the optimization methodologies employed in this study have broader applicability, extending beyond the realm of IDCs, thereby offering global utility and the advancement of expert system in diverse healthcare domain. So that's all of my article explanation. Thank you for watching and good day all.